What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here. It has been a while since I've uploaded a video, so I figured I'd do this one real quick for you guys. I paid $900 for what I'm about to show you in my car. It's a lot of cool stuff. Let's go and take a look. All right, so here's the car. We filled it up. $900 purchase. What do we have? Boom. Okay. So, what does it look like? This shelf is not part of the deal. This is something I purchased myself. But taking a look in here, you can see a whole bunch of video games, a whole bunch of consoles, and a Rock Band set here. So, I'm gonna, let's head around to the side of the car. Here we go. Lots of great stuff here. $900 though, guys. That's a lot of money to be dropping on some video games, but we do have some solid ones in here, as you guys can tell. Some are brand new sealed. This Tiger Woods, brand new sealed. I think there was another. That Just Dance 4 is brand new sealed. But besides that, you know, some Pokemon games, some Mario games, Mario Galaxy. Let's pop some prices up on the screen actually here, right? Super Mario Galaxy, guys, at the beginning of 2020, mid-2020, this thing was selling for like 40 bucks. It was crazy. Prices were skyrocketed. It's not going for as much now, as you guys can see, but there's still money to be had here. And one thing that's definitely helpful, it's complete. A lot of these games are complete. They are all tested, so that's super helpful. Let's go for a more valuable game here. Pokemon Battle Revolution. Again, it should be complete. Yes, it is, so that's nice. And this is a pretty valuable game. Now, the case is kind of busted. It doesn't really click closed up there that good. I have lots of replacement cases, so I don't mind replacing it. Super Paper Mario. That one's decent. Not bad. We got two of those. One is the Nintendo Selects, and the other is just regular. Mario Party 8, guys. This has gone up so much. I am honestly surprised at how much this game is worth. It has a sticker on the artwork. I hate that. What I do is I take a heat gun and I heat up the sticker on the artwork and I peel it off with a Scotty peeler. It comes off pretty easily every time that way without damaging the artwork. Cool little tip for you guys. A couple other just basic games in there. And then we have some consoles. Let's take a quick look in here. We'll stick those over there for now. Toss those. Okay, right in this bin right here, we have a Nintendo GameCube. It is complete with the controller, so that's pretty sweet. A few little scuffs on it, but nothing too bad. We have two of the Sega Genesis at Game Systems. No cords, no wires, nothing. These were thrown in for free, so, but still 900 bucks for everything. We have a Nintendo 64 down there, complete with all the wires and a controller. And a Wii U console only. These Wii U systems, you need this gamepad for them. That's where all the money really is, but the Wii U sell for like 60 bucks on eBay. Now, moving into this box right here, we have a whole different variety of games. More Wii, some PlayStation 2 games, GameCube game right here. Here's a pretty solid one, Resident Evil Director's Cut. It's a shame the case is cracked, but again, these cases are just CD cases, so if you have any extra CD cases laying around, it's a pretty easy swap. We got some PS3 games in here, nothing special. Lego Dimensions, Skylanders, really nothing good. This game surprised the heck out of me, never heard of it before. Take a look at that price on Amazon, guys. Cayman Riders? Common Rider? Cayman Rider, Dragon Knight, Dragon Fight, Dragon Knight, I don't know. Carrier, pretty valuable game as well. High rank, but it will sell. Same thing, Resident Evil Code Veronica, pretty valuable game. Then we got a couple N64 games in here. N64 Gold, look at that. Pokemon Stadium 2 and Banjo-Tooie, great value there. As well as this, I think this was thrown in. I never added this into the cost. It's a Nintendo 64 transfer pack. Not really sure what these are going for. Let's pop the price up on the screen. You're learning as I learn it when I look up the price, so I have no clue. And that's about it that's in this box. I think there was a little GameCube transfer cable here as well. Could be worth some good money. Now, in this bin right here, we have, I believe, 11 white Nintendo Wiis, 1 black, 2 minis. These are the mini Nintendo Wiis, and 1 blue Wii one right there. So many Wii consoles. They're all complete with 1 extra controller, but there is 1 missing sensor bar. So gotta buy an extra sensor bar. I might have extra sensor bars laying around, so I'm not super worried about that. Let's move around the car over here. We have some more awesome Wii games. We got Mario Party 9. Take a look at that price. Oh wait, we actually have another Mario Party 8. But yeah, take a look at that price. Very valuable. These Mario Party games just keep going up. Again, another one of the Mario Party 8s and another Mario Party 8. Okay, so there were a few Mario Party 8s. That's pretty cool. A couple Super Mario Bros. Wii's. What else is over here? Guys, this was like such an awesome buy. $900 seems like a lot, but I think it was definitely worth it. Wii Sports, Wii Sports. This is all quality stuff. Wii Sports, Mario Kart Wii, and a few Wii Sports Resorts, another Mario Kart Wii, guys. Super valuable stuff. Let's keep digging in here. What else do we got? Mario Kart Wii. It's a shame these are disc only, but that's okay. People still buy these games with or without the discs, so they're very, very, very popular. There's all the consoles. Now moving on to the Rock Band stuff. It's a pain to ship this stuff. I hate it, but it came in its original box, which means I could ship it right in this. What I do with these kinds of things when they come in the original box, especially Rock Band, I will actually just put a garbage bag, right? So a big black garbage bag over the box, tape all around it, and just ship it off like that. So this is the box that I'd be shipping it in. No big deal. You can see right in here, we got the drum set. There should be a microphone right there. The pedal, all the attachments and everything are in here, as well as the guitar. Doesn't have the game, but it's only Rock Band 1, dirt cheap game. I think I could sell this whole set. Let's pop it up here on the screen for like over $300. Pretty crazy what these go for. But another thing that's even crazier is just this guitar right here. That's an Xbox One logo, right? This is the Xbox One Rock Band guitar. You can see right back there, Rock Band 4. The one issue right up here, you can see how that just slid off. It's kind of broken. It's like bent. It doesn't affect how the guitar plays, but it just slides off. So I'm not sure what I want to do about that. I could just kind of super glue it, but I'd have to obviously say I did that. I don't know. It wouldn't be something I could obviously sell on Amazon because of the damage. So it would have to be an eBay sale. Yeah, it's a shame it does not click in right. But the guitar itself still works perfectly fine, so that's cool. Really good money in these guitars. Pretty insane find here, guys, for 900 bucks. So how did I get that for 900 bucks, right? Somebody reached out to me on Instagram. So that's one great thing about having a social media presence, right? You get people that reach out to you all the time asking if you want to buy certain things, asking if you want to buy out all their inventory, because a lot of times cash is king and cash is better than waiting for each thing to sell. Even though these are all great sellers, they will all sell pretty fast. Somebody, reached out to me, no, I pay a fair price. What I do in instances like that, if anybody here is watching and maybe they want to offload some inventory, she reached out and said, how much would you pay for this? And sent me a bunch of pictures. I didn't even really go through it. I said, you know what I'll do? It looks like good stuff. I'll come and I'll pay you right around 50% of what it's selling for on Amazon after fees, which is phenomenal, especially for people that primarily sell on eBay or Mercari or locally. Amazon, you could get a little bit more money for things. So already it's more than what they think they're gonna get. And then 50% after fees is fair, right? I get all the goods, I deal with all the work. It's faster moving stuff, so that's why I went with 50%. Sometimes I go, 30%, 40%. It really depends. And then after we added everything up, it was just under 50%, probably closer to 45%. It came out to about $1,042. She said, how about $900 for everything? So it knocked off an extra 142 bucks. So I'm probably in it at about 40% of what I would make after fees. So I'm more than doubling my money, right? I paid $900. That means I expect to get at least $1,100 to $1,200 back, especially because some of those things we didn't add up. Those transfer cables, those little Sega games systems and things like that. And some of these games I might be able to even ask a little bit more for since they're complete. So pretty crazy, super stoked about that. I think I'm gonna make some pretty good money. It is extremely hot outside. It's like 90 degrees and I am dying in this garage. It is not heated. Guys, I've recorded so many other videos that I just haven't gotten around to editing and uploading yet. You guys will be seeing them hopefully soon. I don't know. I really don't. So many great hauls, tag sailing. I have a huge announcement. This is one reason why I've been really busy. That will be coming in a future video. Don't want to spoil it now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya. You know what, we're gonna do some quick bonus content here because I did not film myself going tag sailing the other day. I ran out on a Friday, today is Saturday. I ran out on a Friday and hit up 1, 2, 3, 4 sales, and this is everything I got. I'll tell you guys what I paid for it all. This sort and go puzzle thing, these Ravensburger things, they sell for like 15, 20 bucks all day on Amazon. Pretty cool. We got a puzzle right here, a Cobble Hill, brand new sealed. You know, not really sure what it's going for. I didn't even scan it. If it's not selling on Amazon, you know, $20, $25 on eBay all day. Pretty good. As well as, hey, I was looking for these, nice. As well as this Anne Frank's diary book. It's like a graphic novel. And I didn't look up the price on this. I'm actually going to pop the price up on the screen for this one right now because I have no idea what it's worth. Could have been a bad buy. Same goes with this Humans of New York book. Didn't look up the price. Pretty interesting. And then this kind of print, circa 1955 Jackie Robinson on the Dodgers. Right there. You can see on the back side. It has this vintage collection. I have no idea what this is worth, but everything I just showed you guys, I paid $6 for. Pretty crazy. That was super cheap. And then this whole bin right here is filled with CDs, filled to the brim, right? I haven't looked any of them up. Not only is this filled with CDs, let me set the camera down, but the one underneath is also filled with CDs. I just snagged every single one that they had because the price was good, right? They were originally asking 25 cents a CD, but I said, hey, if I bought all of them, plus this thing right here, it is a JVC 200 disc changer. No remote. They said it works. Who knows though? But this plus all of the CDs, I said, well, what would you guys take for it? 20 bucks. 20 bucks, right? $5 for that. 15 for all of these. It was a no-brainer. I didn't even bother looking it up. I guarantee there'll at least be one CD in here that's worth that. So super happy. I love making big bulk deals like that. And then at the last sale, I grabbed this GPS. It's a TomTom. I don't know if it's worth anything. It's model 4EN52Z1230. No clue. $2. So I figured at $2, you can't really go wrong. Super cool. I also got these two other things. Where are they? I don't know where they are, but they're like those fold out. Maybe I'll pop a picture on the screen. They're like these fold out things with wheels, like it's a crate box on wheels and you could drag it around and haul stuff if you're setting up at flea markets or wherever. Those were $5 each, so I paid 10 bucks on those. I figured they'd be good for moving stuff around, so I don't have to lift these heavy boxes every single time. So that is what I got. Little extra bonus content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.